Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My channel Crazy Plant Lady. It's a channel all about plants, mainly house plants. If you are new here, my name is Sutopa and I'm crazy about plants. And I post videos on plants haul, nursery visit, plants care, house plant propagation and everything related to house plants. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Today's video is on how to propagate pothos, philodendrons, scindapsus and many other trailing plants. Propagation is an effective and easy way to fill up your house with lots of plants. Propagation and pruning is necessary for a plant to become bushier. So don't feel bad to cut the leggy vine because it will actually help the plant to grow faster. So without further ado, let's get started. First you need to find out a mature bushy plant from where you want to propagate. And also you need to find out the stem or vine which you want to cut. Like from this Philodendron Brazil, this stem has lost all its variegation. Like this leaves has variegation but this stem has no variation and it has not been showing any kind of new growth for a long time. So I have decided to cut this vine. Take a clean scissor and cut the plant just below the node from where the leaves has grown. And from this golden pothos, I am cutting this vine as I want this plant to become more bushier and look full on the top. So I decided to cut this stem, this vine. Now you can see this is the node of the plant and from this node the leaves and roots are come out. So I am cutting this plant just keeping half centimeter of stems on either side of the nodes. And from each node you will get a new plant. Doing the same, keep doing this unless you have done with all your cuttings. Now this one I want to keep like this only. And same thing I am doing with the rest vines. I have two more cuttings from one pearl and jade pothos and one heartleaf philodendron, neon heartleaf philodendron. I am cutting this one just like same as I have done before. So now I got lots of cutting. Stems have no use, so I am just keeping this aside. I have few glass container filled with water. You can take tap water or filter water. I have started using filter water to avoid this kind of water staining on the container. You can take any type of containers, as the plastic container or glass container that is available in your home. So just now we need to submerge these cuttings into the water. Just be sure that all the nodes are submerged into the water, because as I told that roots will come out from those nodes only. I want to keep this long, so I am just cutting the old stem from here below the node and just putting it into the water. Within 5 days the roots will start coming out, and within 20 days about 5 to 6 centimeter roots will come out, and then you can put it into the soil or you can keep it just as it is, because it also looks very beautiful. Keep changing the water of this container in every 3 to 4 days, or refill this container with fresh water when you see the water level is dropping as the plants use the water, and also water evaporates. Few more cuttings left which I want to keep in this container. Now within 20 days, when the roots will come out nearly about 4 to 5 centimeter, you can just put it into the soil and you can get this kind of fuller looking plants. Here I have one more plant. I want to show you propagation of this plant. This is the Songs of India. This plant is very easy to maintain, and also its propagation procedure is also very easy. So I am just cutting the top of this plant. Though this one is not a trailing plant, but it's very easy to propagate in water. I am just removing few leaves from the bottom and just now need to submerge this plant into the water, and within few days you will be able to see the roots coming out from this plant. And just like this plant I have got from this kind of propagation. These two plants I have got from this kind of propagation. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much.